Hi friends, today I'm taking place of Mr. Yellowbeard just for today and let's learn the different states of matter. So let's see why matter matters so much. Even rocks, pencil and you are matter. Know that the drawing son good at school itself he was good at drawing. So what is matter? Well, matter matters everywhere. Yeah, it is everywhere. So matters that have mass and occupy space. Let's learn them. Come on. The most common states of matters are liquid, gas and solid. So let me define matter to you. Everything that has weight and takes up space or volume is called matter. Well, I'm sure you know what weight is. It's how heavy something is. And heaviness and weight are the same. But what does take up space or volume mean? Volume is the amount of space something occupies. Example, the cricket ball takes up small volume, but the football takes up large volume. Let's learn about solids first. Solids do not take the shape of the container which is kept in. In this state, the particles are tightly jam-packed together so they don't move. The electrons of each atom are steadily in motion. So the atoms have a little vibration, but they are fixed in their place. Due to this, particles in a solid have very small amount of kinetic energy. Solids have a definite shape as well as volume and mass. Examples of solid are study table, sugar cubes, ball, chair, glass, rock, books, ice, most metals. Now let's learn about liquids. They flow, move around a little, fills up container you put in. In a liquid, the particles are more loosely packed and have low density. Examples of liquids are water, blood, oil, milk, juice, diesel, petrol, mercury, the metal which is in the liquid form. Next is a very interesting state of matter, which is gas that can't be seen. The particles here have a great deal of space between them and have a very high kinetic energy. Gas has no definite volume or shape. They can fill up the volume or space of the container stored in. Examples of gas are air, natural gas, hydrogen, water vapor. Well, let's see how air takes up space and has weight. First, take a balloon and fill up with air. Secondly, take a balloon but don't fill air in it. Thirdly, check the weight of both. Result: the balloon will be with the air has more weight than the one with no air. Fact time! There is more than 3 states of matter. Yes, what you heard is correct. They are the following 3 matters created by men: plasma, fermionic condensates, Bose-Einstein condensates. The next video's topic is the evolution of mammals. Well, in that, Yellowbeard will be there. So don't worry. sorry on that. And if you are brand new to this channel, warm welcome. Here we learn on different topics. So it's time to subscribe, like, share and comment with your valuable feedbacks.